Updating your phone number on Afterpay is a straightforward process that ensures you receive important notifications and updates. Follow these simple steps to make the change. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can also visit the Afterpay website on your browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Afterpay account. Make sure you use the account associated with the phone number you want to update. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 4. Select Phone Number Update. In Account Settings, find the option to update your phone number. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 5. Enter your new phone number. Input your new phone number in a designated field. After entering the new number, confirm the change by following any additional prompts or verification steps. After completing these steps, your phone number will be updated in Afterpay. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure the change was successful.